Meaning of dementia.
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 Dementia. Dementia is a term used to describe a decline in cognitive function that impairs a person's ability to carry out daily activities. This decline is caused by damage to brain cells, which affects thinking, memory, language, and behavior. As dementia progresses, individuals may experience difficulty with communication, disorientation, loss of motor skills, changes in personality, and ultimately, a complete dependence on others for their care. Dementia can be caused by various conditions, including Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, Lewy body dementia, frontotemporal dementia, and others. There is currently no cure for dementia, but early diagnosis and treatment can help manage symptoms.